Welcome back, everyone. We've reached the moment we've all been waiting for, the grand reveal of our finished masterpiece. In this segment, get ready to witness the true beauty of a kite when crafted with care and creativity. Before we unveil our creation, let's take a moment to appreciate the journey we've been on. From selecting materials to each careful crafting step, this kite represents not just a piece of art, but a labor of love. Now, let's take a closer look at the intricate details. Notice the specific details, patterns, or colors that make this kite truly unique. Every stroke of creativity has contributed to the overall beauty of our finished project. During the crafting process, we made deliberate choices to enhance the aesthetics. Whether it's the vibrant colors, traditional patterns, or any creative twists we added, each decision was aimed at creating a visually stunning result. Beyond the visual appeal, let's acknowledge the structural elements that make this kite soar gracefully. From the carefully crafted frame to the stability-enhancing tail, every detail plays a role in the overall beauty and functionality. Now, it's time to see our creation in action. Watch as we let our kite dance with the wind, showcasing not only its visual charm, but also the joy it brings when soaring high in the sky. As you witness the beauty of this completed kite, we hope it inspires you to embark on your own crafting adventures. Remember, the true beauty lies not just in the final result, but in the process of creation. Don't be afraid to infuse your personality and creativity into your projects. Thank you for joining us on this artistic journey. If you've enjoyed the beauty of our completed kite, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more creative endeavors, and until next time, happy crafting. As the school gates open, there's a palpable energy in the air. Students, relieved from the structured school hours, share laughs, stories, and the excitement of what the day has brought. For some, the journey home is a short walk, while others might hop on buses or bicycles. Join us as we follow these students on their paths, each with their unique tales of the day. The familiar sights of homecoming, the opening of gates, the familiar faces of family members, and the comfort of one's own space. These students are about to experience the warmth of home. As we step outside, we're greeted by the sights and sounds of nature. The proximity of crops to this house is a testament to the harmony between human habitation and the fertile land. The lush greenery, the rustling leaves, and the earthy aroma create a serene atmosphere. It's a privilege to witness the stages of growth right here. Here, we have a variety of crops thriving under the sunlight. From the tall stalks of corn to the vibrant hues of flowering plants, each crop has its own story to tell. Let's explore and appreciate the diversity. These crops are not just plants, they're a source of sustenance, livelihood, and a connection to the land. As we observe, let's appreciate the hard work that goes into nurturing and these harvesting. Nature is in full swing here. Take a moment to observe the busy bees, the fluttering butterflies, and perhaps catch a glimpse of the birds that call this agricultural landscape their home. Imagine being surrounded by nature, scenic views, activities. The air is crisp, the colors vibrant, and every moment is an invitation to immerse ourselves in the soothing embrace of our surroundings. Whether it's a nature walk, a dip in cool waters, or simply taking in the serene landscapes, the experience is a tonic for the soul. Let's relive the moments that led to this profound sense of refreshment. Nature has a remarkable way of revitalizing our spirits. From the rustling leaves to the gentle caress of a breeze, every element invites us to disconnect from the hustle and bustle, if only for a moment. Beyond the physical aspect, this refreshment extends to our mental well-being. It's a reset button that allows us to return to our daily lives with a renewed sense of energy and clarity. As we bask in this refreshing moment, let's take a moment to express gratitude for the simple yet profound experiences that contribute to our well-being. Reflection on these moments adds depth to our journey. We encourage you to seek out your own moments of refreshment, whether in nature, through activities you love, or in simple everyday joys. Feel free to share your refreshing experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to embrace the beauty of renewal. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of refreshment. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more uplifting content. Until next time, may your days be filled with moments that leave you feeling truly refreshed. Take care.